Hi and welcome back to TechSub. My name is Akanksha Anil and today I'm going to take you through how you can search for products on our website. Whether you're looking for something specific or just browsing, stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how to do it most efficiently. Step 1. Click on the search bar. When you come to our homepage, right under the slideshow, you will find the search bar. This is a powerful tool to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Step 2. Type the keyword or choose from suggestions. Once you reach the search bar, you have two options. One, to type the exact product that you're looking for. Two, you can choose from the suggestions of the most popular searches on the website. Step 3. Use the search bar on the product listing page. Alternatively, you can use the search bar on the product listing page. Here, you can type in your keyword or choose from suggestions to find the product that you're looking for. Step 4. Press enter for a full product page search. If you want, you can simply type in your keyword and press enter and a search will be conducted across the website. It will bring in options which are relevant to your search. There you have it. This is how you can do product searches on our website to find new and exciting deals every day. Until next time.